Another video of Chapter 9 Decimals Part 5. In this video, we'll discuss about subtraction of decimals. Rules of subtracting decimal numbers. Write the digits of the given number one below the other such that the decimal point are in the same vertical line. That is, the decimal point just lies below the decimal point. Subtract as we subtract the whole number. Let us see the example 1. Now see here, you have to subtract 8.93 from 13.94. Now you can see this is also having two place, this is also having two decimal place. So, and this is the bigger number, you write the number on the top 13.94 and minus 8.93. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0 and 13 minus 8 is 5. So the answer is 5.01. Now let us see the second question. Subtract 6.156 from 8.8. Now here you can see this is having 3 decimal place, whereas this is a bigger number 8.8. So this is having 1 decimal place. Now we have already learned we can change to equivalent decimals by adding zeros to the extreme right. Now to make it 3 decimal place, you can add 2 zeros. So 8.800. Now this is having 3 decimal place minus 6.156. Now you have to borrow. You borrow from here. You borrow, this becomes 10, then this becomes 9 on borrowing 1 here. So this will be 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 5, 4 and 8 will become 7, 7 minus 1, 6 and 8 minus 6 is 2. So the answer is 2.644. Another example. 13.8 minus 1.27. So let us see how we'll do this. First, line up the decimal point, that is, place the decimal point just below decimal point. Remember that. 13.8, now this is having 2 decimal place. You can add 1 zeros to the extreme right of this 8 to make it into 2 decimal place. So 13.80 minus 1.27. Now borrow 1 from here. So this will become 7. This will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3 and 7 minus 2 is 5. And 3 minus 1, 2 and take this one here. So 12 point and place the decimal just below decimal. So the answer is 12.53. Few more examples. Let us see. Now this is 8.97 minus 2.82. Now you just place the decimal just below decimal and place the number according to the place values. See, this is the ones place, this is the decimal point, this is the 10th place, both the numbers, and this is the 100th place. So place the number according to the place values of decimal numbers. Right? Now see, 7 minus 2 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1 and 8 minus 2 is 6. And just take down the decimal just below decimal. So answer is 6.15. So remember, you can just put the decimal number according to the places and just place the decimal point just below the decimal point and then subtract as usual. Now to check, you can add these two numbers and you should get this number. So on adding, if you get this, that means your subtraction is correct. Now see one more example this side. 402.10 minus 243.86. Now see, borrow, you are borrowing. First you do the borrow and then you subtract. So first let us do the borrowing. Make it 10. This is 11 if you borrow from here, because these two numbers are smaller than these two numbers, you can see. So this becomes 10. So you have borrowed from here. Again this is smaller, so this becomes 11, right? So because 12 you are borrowing 1 from here, from 12, so this is 11. So this is 10, so you are borrowing 1 from here, so 9, and this you are borrowing 1 to make it 10 here, so this is 3. You are borrowing 1 from here. So first do this borrow part, then you start subtracting. Now 10 minus 6 is 4, 10 minus 8 is 2. Just take down the decimal point here. This is decimal here, and then 11 minus 3 is 8, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 158, that is 158, and take down the decimal point 24. Now let us see how to simplify this question. The question is 4.750 liter minus 6.080 liter plus 2.850 liter. So now this expression you can see has subtraction and addition both. In such a case, first we add. So this number is in addition, no sign here. That is addition. And where is another number of addition? This number. So you first add this number and this decimal number. So 4.750 liter and 2.850 liter. So let us add 4.750 liter plus 2.850 liter. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 carry 1. So 8 plus 7, 15 plus carry 1, 16, 6 carry 1, 4 plus 2 is 6 and carry 1, 7. So the answer on adding comes out to be 7.600 liters. Then we will subtract. So let us subtract. We subtract 6.080 liter from 7.600 liter. So first we will write on the top, this is a bigger number. So 7.600 liter minus 6.080 liter. 0 minus 0, 0. And here is 0, so you can just borrow from here. So this will become 5, this will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2, and 5 minus 0 is 5, and 7 minus 6 is 1. So the answer is 1.520 liters. Word problems on subtraction. The first question, Harsha had rupees 24.50 in her mobile wallet. She bought some toffees and paid rupees 11.75. Find the balance amount in her mobile wallet, right? So mobile purse, mobile wallet, that is. Now total amount of money in mobile wallet is, total amount he had in his purse or in his wallet is rupees 24.50, right? And amount he paid for toffees is rupees 11.75. Balance means the amount left. So left or balance means you have to subtract. So you will subtract 24.50 minus 11.75. On subtracting, you get 12 rupees 12.75. Thus, the balance amount in her wallet is rupees 12.75. Second example, Neelam travels 20 km 50 meter every day to reach her office. She travels 10 km 200 meter by metro train and the remaining distance by auto rickshaw. How much distance does she travel by auto rickshaw? Now the total distance travel is how much? 20 km 50 meter, and she travels this much distance by metro train and the rest by auto rickshaw. Now they are asking you how much she travels by auto rickshaw. So find this, you have to subtract this number and this number. So let us see the total distance traveled by Linam to reach her office is 20 kilometer 50 meter. Now you change this into kilometer. So on to change this into kilometer, you have to divide 50 by 1000 because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So on dividing, you get 0.050 kilometer. So we add with 20, so 20.050 kilometer. Now distance traveled by Neelam by metro trains is 10 kilometer 200 meters. So 10 kilometer is will be kilometer, and if you change this into kilometer you will divide by 1000. So on dividing by 1000 you get 0.200 kilometers. So on adding you get 10.200 kilometer. So therefore the distance traveled by Neelam by auto rickshaw is 20.050 minus 10.200 kilometers. So on subtracting, you get 9.850 kilometers. The third example, Sarika had 10 meter 20 centimeter long cloth. She cuts 2 meter 50 centimeter and 3 meter 35 centimeter of the cloth from it to make two dresses. How much cloth is left with her? Again, left means you have to subtract. First, what you will have to do, let us see. The total length of the cloth is given and this much meter, this much centimeter, and this much meter, this much centimeter is cut from this total length. First, you have to find the total length cut is how much. You have to add these two. So let us do. Length of the cloth Sarika had is 10 meter 20 centimeter. On converting this into meter, 20 by 100 is 0.20. So 10 plus 0.20 will be 10.20 meters. Now length of the cloth cut to make two dresses is 2 meter 50 centimeter plus 3 meter 35 centimeter. So on again changing this to meter, 50 by 100, so 0.50, 2 plus 0.50 will be 2.50 meters, and 3 plus 0.35 will be 3.35 meters. So on adding 2.50 and 3.35 meters, you get 5.85 meters. So the total length left with Sarika will be this number minus this number. So 10.20 meters minus 5.85 meters. On subtracting this, you get 4.35 meters. Therefore, 4.35 meter of cloth is left with Sarika. Thank you, children. Enjoy learning.